Hey guys, welcome to the Element Pack widget tutorial. In this video, we will talk about how you can use the Scroll Fill Effects extension on WordPress. First of all, you need to go into the Extensions tab under the Element Pack Pro dashboard. Once you are there, find the Scroll Fill Effects extension and turn it on. Then just save settings, and now you are ready to use it. Now, on to your landing page. We are going to reload it just in case. Below, there's a heading widget saying the extension's name. When you edit the title, you will find the Scroll Fill Effect option down in the Content tab. Click on it and turn on the switcher there. Two more options popped up in there. One is the base color, the other is fill color. Once you configured a mono base color, it's time to add a gradient for the fill color. Let's pick your colors. Change the angle a bit. And maybe select radio instead of linear color type. Alright, now hit the Publish button. Now you're about to see what your visitors will see. Get into the preview window. Now scroll down slowly and see the results. The title gets filled up slowly with your configured colors. This is an interactive effect that changes with scroll movements. With it, you are open to creating more awesome transitions, along with all the other cool features on your site, provided by Element Pack Pro. That's all for this video. Continue to support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to this channel for more updates and tutorials. Stay safe and see you next time.